Okay, and now the final piece of this bathroom remodel, updating the shower. This is typically a huge process where you have to remove the tile, redo the backer board, then apply whatever new product you're going with. However, I'm using a product called Wetwall made by Wilkerson, and it's something you can put directly over your existing tile. This is a patented project that you can't get anywhere else. It comes in panels that you can cut just like wood, but it's composite that is 100% waterproof. I'm going with the veining design, but they have multiple colors and designs to choose from. And the concept is to cut, then place the back wall of the shower first. So I first remove the towel rack, the soap dish, and the valve and faucet. As you can see, my tile only comes to this far. I'm gonna go ahead and extend it all the way up to the ceiling, but that means I need to build up this material where it's just drywall to be the same thickness as this tile. So I'm gonna put down some wooden backing boards that way whenever I come back over with my wet wall tile, I have something to attach to instead of it being floppy up here. So you just gotta grab a stud finder, find and mark your stud locations, and now you can attach your wooden boards to build out this section. I applied wooden battens on the other two walls, then moved in the back panel. And you definitely want a hand moving in the large sheet. It isn't that it's heavy, it's just big and awkward. It's also worth noting that I ordered mine in one large sheet, but you can also get this in tongue and groove. This option is great if you're working with stairs or another tight spot where a panel won't get in. I use the proprietary caulking from Wilkerson, which comes with the DIY kit. And if you're tackling this project, know that there is a kit. You want to stay 2 inches in on all sides. So I ran a horizontal line on the top and bottom, then a vertical line every 12 inches in between. How have I never discovered an electric caulking gun? That tool is a game changer. It is a large panel, and I did have the valve to work around, but David and I were able to easily get it in with taking our time and working around the obstacles. This stuff sets up in about 10 minutes, so I used my body to make sure it was pressed up against the tile and the wooden battens firmly, then called it good. And it's okay to have a gap on the sides. In fact, you need a small gap in order to get the panel in. But the side panels go in afterwards and cover up everything. Then in the seam, you use a color match sealant to make it look seamless. I mean, tell me that's not the coolest. This stuff has an antimicrobial protection and also a proprietary scratch and scuff resistant technology. But the best part is it only took 2.5 hours from start to finish, which honestly blows my mind. I thought this was definitely gonna be the longest part of the whole project, but I think it was the vanity. I'll leave you a link down below if you're interested in finding a dealer of Wetwall near you. And that's it, 5 days, guys. That's all it took me in order to start demoing it to the now what you see it. Not only is it fun seeing a complete overhaul, but it also, I've never done a lot of these things before. I've never replaced a toilet, and I've never replaced a vanity or even the plumbing. Definitely never redone shower tiling with those Wetwall panels. So I really hope that watching my experience has helped you out, maybe gave you a few chuckles and hopefully a few good tips that you can put into your own bathroom remodel project. That's it for this one. I will see you on whatever I'm tackling next.